I am reviewing May 10, 2024 SPY. Yeah, Friday is a I would say is a great, trade for the Bears. Bears should be able to make about 1.5 to 2 points if you went short on Friday. Let's see what happens on Friday, right? In the morning, it gapped up. We have a gap up. It's a beautiful. Have a gap up. Even you have a bad entry. Let's see, you got in here, around here. You still be able to pick up about 1.5 points all the way here, at least. Okay, it's not bad, right? For the uptrend, market. Why did I say that? That's my favorite strategy. Look at 2 minute chart here. On Thursday, the 50 didn't cross 200. Usually, very unlikely it won't happen on the second day. So for the second day, finally 50 crossed below 200 to finish the retracement. Okay, on Thursday, the 50 didn't cross 200. Chances of for the 50 chances of for the 50 cross 200 on 2 minute time frame are very high on the second day. Usually about, I would say, 90% of time. But on the first day, about 80% to 85. Chances, for the 2 minute time frame on the first day for the 50, moving average cross 200, usually about 80 to 85. But the second day is very high, almost above 90%. You can bet on it. This for the market correction. I would say this is one of the best strategy. So all we need is one trade in a day. So this is a perfect setup. On the 2 minute time frame, it had a get up. I would say exhaustion a little bit. Look at it. The whole week is being up week, almost reached double top. And funny thing, on Friday it didn't test the 5-day moving average. And one more thing, look at it. There's some signal. I wouldn't say downtrend. It's not a downtrend, but just slightly bearish. I would say pullback or correction. It's not a bad trend. Don't get me wrong. It's still uptrend, totally uptrend. But for Friday, it's different. In my opinion, it should be pulled back to have a correction. And look at the 10-day moving average here. Okay, what happened? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 days. SPY didn't test the 10-day moving average for 6 days so far. What's the maximum day? I did some research about 9 days. I think at 10 days at the most. It didn't touch or test 10-day moving average. About maximum days, about 10 days. So you can count on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days so far. So maximum days is 6 days, 10 days. So we got, if that's the worst case, that means we've got 4 more days. Or a pullback is coming. For sure, it's coming. So you can count on it, okay? Because the SPY can stay up there forever without touching or testing the 10-day moving average. And also the 10-day moving average is far away from the candlestick bar. That's another sign. That means it's over bought. When it's but however, look at MACD and RSI. It's still we still have room to go. It's still uptrend. In my opinion, it should slow down this week. But we have a great news that this week we got some important data Tuesday and Wednesday. PPI, CPI, in fact, Powell's speeds on Tuesday. So that means Tuesday, Wednesday will move the market. So watch out on those Tuesday and Wednesday. But for last Friday setup, for the short setup, it's given. Okay, this is perfect setup in my opinion. Even you got in here, you didn't catch the top. Even you got in here, it's still make about 1.5 points. Not bad, right? All you need is one trade in a day. Okay, let's see what happened on tomorrow, on Monday. So far, still uptrend. How I look at bearish trend, in order to turn around, reverse the trend, at first of all, you have to form 3-bar based on the 3-bar rule. That means the candlestick bar, this bar close must be below the low of 3-bar ago. That means 1, 2, 3 right here, or either one must be below it. Must be below 3-bar, any bar, the lowest low. So far it hasn't formed yet. It's still bullish trend. You can study the 3-bar rule. You can Google it. You can modify to fit your trading style. Most of the time, it gives you a hint, some hints which direction you should go. But for now, I don't see any bearish signal. But on Friday, particularly on Friday, it just had, in my opinion, just need to be pulled back. And look at SPY here. It's above 50-day moving average. The 5-day is still strong. 10 days catching up. So I would say next week, probably we'll I don't know. We might have there might be a double top. Look at it. Double top is not that far away. It's only a few points. So it can be achieved either, if not tomorrow, Monday, then probably Tuesday or Wednesday. So watch out. There should be a breakout. If the market go up there that strong, and 10-day should be catching up. And look at here, and also look at the Bollinger Bands. So Bollinger Bands is still healthy, trading along the upper band. Bollinger Bands, at least it didn't go outside the upper band. If it go outside the upper band like this one, that's not a good sign. But it didn't go. Interesting. So it's still healthy. So I'm projecting. So double top, very possible open either Tuesday or Wednesday. It could happen tomorrow too. So don't know. We'll see. Look at Dow Jones. Dow Jones, same thing. Look at it. It's strong. Look at that thing. For the Dow Jones, look at 60-minute RSI. It's a little bit overbought. So I'm kind of expecting pullback on Monday. So let the double top happen either Tuesday or Wednesday. I think it should have a pullback on Monday. Usually, quiet before the news. That's a good sign for the bulls. It's quiet before the news. That's a great sign, right? So that's the futures. Let's look at the SPY. So again, for support and resistance tomorrow. So 5 days should be a support below, and also we got here 518, also should be a great support too. And for 30 minutes, now at first, a couple days ago, I thought this a head and shoulder, but it failed. The head and shoulder pattern failed. It moved up along this trend line. Now we see another head and shoulder. Let's see, this one will break the neckline and come down here to test 518. We'll see tomorrow. Have to be patient. Look at 5 minutes here. Yes. It's pretty obvious, right? This is a head, shoulder, and look at neckline here. And also for the Friday, we have a channel. This is upward channel. That's not a good sign for the bulls. You keep going up slowly in a longer time, eventually will come down. Of course, it could go up, but I like to bet on the downside more. So look for the pattern. Be patient, especially 2 minute, my favorite strategy, 1 minute favorite strategy, right? The 50 cross 200. That's my favorite strategy. It always works. You just have to, look for your entry and exit. If you're greedy, don't be greedy. That's all I can say. But look at a 30 minute. Yeah, just slightly pull back. It's not bearish. It's just slightly pull back. I wouldn't say the trends still stay the same, in my opinion. It hasn't reversed yet, because it's still lower. I mean, still higher, low. Each bar is higher than the previous bar, right? So in order to reverse the trend, it has to show us the 3-bar rule. As long as break the 3-bar rule, break below this here, and then we have a follow up the following day. Yes, it's very much confirmed. The trend is changed. Otherwise, just trade. When I pull back, you know what to do, right? When I pull back, look for entry. So next week, Tuesday, Wednesday, all those major news. We got PPI, Fed power speeds, so CPI on Wednesday. So Monday should be quiet, in my opinion. No news is good news, right? So Monday should be quiet. Could be sideways or pull back a little bit, or retest, have a retracement. Look at weekly bar here. Look at it. It's pretty strong. Now look at the weekly bar. Now close above 5 and 10 weekly moving average. This is strong. Looks like the 5 weekly moving average will cross 10 weekly moving average too. So there's another sign. That means double top could happen next week. So keep that on your mind. Double top. After Tuesday, Wednesday big news, we will talk about it on Monday. Let's see. So Monday, I'm projecting sideways, boring day, a little bit. Okay. Good luck on your trading. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.